Many people have never heard of it, but Toxoplasma gondii is one of the most successful parasites in the world. Toxoplasma is a tiny, single-celled organism that can infect all warm-blooded animals, including approximately 1 in 5 people worldwide. Cats are the definitive host of Toxoplasma gondii. Infection mainly occurs when they eat infected prey for the first time. Once the cat is infected, Toxoplasma quickly invades the gut and reproduces to make millions of parasitic eggs, or oocysts, which are shed into the environment in the faeces for a period of up to 2 weeks. These oocysts take a few days to mature and become infectious to other hosts. Toxoplasma can also multiply and burst out of gut cells and invade other cells in the body, allowing it to spread to different tissues of the host. During this invasion, the host's immune system fights back, eventually containing the parasite within cysts. These can be located in different tissues of the host, particularly the brain, eye, heart, and muscles, and can remain viable for the host's entire lifetime. Although cats are the only animals that can shed oocysts in their feces, all infected animals can have cysts in their tissues. However, the chance of people getting infected with oocysts shed by their domestic cat remains low. Farm animals can pick up Toxoplasma oocysts when grazing. A particular problem with sheep is that if they are pregnant at the time and they have never been infected with Toxoplasma before, the parasite can invade the placenta and transmit to the fetus, resulting in abortion, stillbirth, or the birth of very ill infected lambs. This can be a significant cause of economic losses for sheep farmers. People can become infected with Toxoplasma by eating undercooked meat containing Toxoplasma cysts, by consuming fruit or vegetables contaminated with oocysts, or by drinking contaminated water. Most people do not show many clinical signs following infection and may not actually realize they have been infected. However, Toxoplasmosis can be a serious disease in pregnant women if they become infected for the first time during their pregnancy, and can result in complications to the developing fetus and miscarriage. Toxoplasma infection also poses a risk to immune-compromised people, such as those affected by cancer or immune deficiency diseases, as their immune systems are unable to effectively control the multiplication of the parasite. So, what can we do to help prevent and control the disease? Education is important to prevent infection, as there are currently no vaccines for use in people or cats, and very few effective drugs to help control toxoplasmosis. People can guard against infection in a number of ways. Cook meat properly or freeze it beforehand to inactivate any Toxoplasma cysts. Thoroughly wash fruit and vegetables to remove any potential oocysts. Wear gloves and wash hands thoroughly after gardening, as there may be oocysts in the soil. Empty cat litter trays daily to remove potentially infected cat feces. Pregnant women and immune-compromised people should guard against potential infection by staying away from lambing ewes and avoiding contact with cat litter trays. In some countries around the world, there is an effective vaccine available for livestock. Sheep that are vaccinated prior to mating develop immunity to protect them against toxoplasmosis in pregnancy, resulting in a higher number of healthy lambs being born. As well as vaccinating sheep, farmers can help reduce infection in livestock by keeping feed bins covered to prevent cats from defecating in them, and controlling cat and rodent populations on farms. Research has shown that some strains of Toxoplasma are more virulent than others and can cause more serious disease in people. Many of these more virulent strains can be found in South and Central America. At the Moredun Research Institute in Scotland and the University of São Paulo in Brazil, we care about One Health and food security and controlling the impact of toxoplasmosis. We are working together to understand why there are differences in virulence between strains of the parasite. We hope that new research to understand how Toxoplasma infects and causes disease in different hosts will help to develop new vaccines and medicines to help prevent and control toxoplasmosis in people and animals. For more information, visit our website.